Hello guys! Today I want to show you the Lego soda vending machine that actually works. I bought stickers like a real vending machine, so now it looks really cool. I also made a safe in which the money that we will pay into this vending machine will be stored. This Lego vending machine works with power functions battery block, because we can add some lights. Now I need to open this safe and open the roof of this machine. Put these lights into vending machine and then put the roof back. I turn off my lights. Wow! It is so great! To get a soda, we need to take some Lego money. First, we need to choose the drink we want to get. After that, pay the money. And now we have a Coca-Cola, we have a 7-Up, but we don't have a Pepsi. Let's get it. I need to push on this button and pay $300. First, second, and third Lego money. Okay, I insert all of this money. And now I want to show you how this Lego soda vending machine usually works.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.